Good evening. As our work habits evolve in the digital age, so do the tools we rely on. Today, we turn the spotlight on the HP Series 3 Pro. 322 PFA 21.5-inch Full HD monitor engineered not just to display information, but to transform how we work, safeguard our well-being, and help organizations meet sustainability goals. Over the next 7 to 8 minutes, we'll break down its design, ergonomics, connectivity, eye care features, and green credentials. Let's get started. Imagine a workspace freed from visual constraints, documents, spreadsheets, and presentations all rendered in crisp clarity. The HP Series 3 Pro's 21.5-inch Full HD 1920 x 1080 IPS panel delivers just that, with a 100 Hz refresh rate and 178 viewing angles. Every team member sees the same vivid colors and sharp detail, whether they're seated front and center or off to the side. Ideal for multitasking side-by-side windows, split-screen editing, and real-time collaboration. Feel natural and intuitive. Fluid visuals, smooth transitions reduce motion blur when scrolling through long documents or navigating data dashboards. This display isn't simply about beauty, it's about giving every user the creative freedom to work more efficiently. Long hours at the desk can take a physical toll. That's why HP designed the Series 3 Pro around real-world comfort. Ultra-slim bezels on 3 sides create a seamless multi-monitor setup, minimizing distractions and maximizing workspace. Tilt adjustment from 5 to 23 allows each individual to find their perfect viewing angle, reducing neck and shoulder strain. Detachable stand with VESA 100x100 compatibility frees you to mount the monitor on articulating arms or wall mount idle for sit-stand desks and flexible office layouts. With these ergonomic touches, users can maintain healthy posture throughout long shifts, translating to greater focus and fewer breaks for discomfort. Modern offices demand versatility. The HP Series 3 Pro 322PF offers HDMI 1.4, DisplayPort 1.2, and VGA inputs. No need for adapters when hooking up laptops, desktops, or legacy equipment. HDCP support ensures secure playback of protected video content. Lightweight footprint at roughly 19.2 x 7.1 x 14.9 inches and 7.2 pounds. It fits snugly into open-plan desks, home offices, or huddle rooms. Plug in, power on, and you're ready. No downtime wrestling with cables or converters. That simplicity saves IT teams and end users both time and money. Staring at screens can cause digital eye strain, reducing productivity and sapping energy. HP addresses this with IE's technology. Blue light reduction filtered at the hardware level. No color shift or yellow tint, so you see true color and suffer less fatigue. Flicker-free backlight certified by TÜV Rheinland keeps images steady, even during long video conferences or late-night crunch sessions. Anti-glare coating ensures readability under overhead lights or near windows. With these features, employees can comfortably work 8 to 10 hours a day without the headaches or dry eyes that plague standard monitors. Beyond performance and comfort, the HP Series 3 Pro 322 PF champions environmental responsibility. Average power draw of just 20 watts, reducing energy costs and carbon footprint. 85% post-consumer recycled plastic in its enclosure, giving new life to materials that would otherwise become waste. Energy-efficient manufacturing aligns with corporate sustainability targets and global climate goals. This monitor proves that eco-friendly choices don't force compromises. Businesses can invest in premium displays while making tangible strides toward net zero operations. For data analysts, designers, and content creators alike, color fidelity matters. The Series 3 Pro offers 72% NTSC color gamut and 8-bit 6-bit FRC color depth, reproducing millions of hues accurately. Consistent brightness across the screen, so graphs, charts, and photos appear with uniform luminosity critical for detailed work. Whether you're examining a complex spreadsheet or fine-tuning a slide deck, this display delivers reliable visuals every time. Consider a marketing team preparing for a product launch. With multiple monitors, they spread reference materials across screens, annotate assets in real time, and coordinate feedback all without toggling windows. In a busy trading floor scenario, financial analysts track live data feeds, news tickers, and risk dashboards simultaneously. In each case, the HP Series 3 Pro acts as an enabler, keeping information flowing smoothly while reducing physical and cognitive strain. The HP Series 3 Pro 322PF is more than just another office monitor. It represents a holistic approach to the modern workplace, one that values creativity, health, efficiency, and sustainability equally. From its bright, high-refresh IPS panel to its ergonomic adjustments and eco-friendly build, it sets a new standard for what a professional display can achieve. That concludes our deep dive into the HP Series 3 Pro. If your organization seeks a display solution that boosts productivity, protects employee well-being, and supports green initiatives, this monitor deserves a spot at the top of your shortlist. Thank you for joining us. For more technology insights and product reviews, please subscribe and stay tuned. Good night.